What's up, Vegas? We're at another Las Vegas park. This is Paradise Park on McLeod between Flamingo and Tropicana. So this is another park that I want to show to Vegas, the city, how this park is structured. And I always realize that most of the parks is from a manufacturer called Miracle Recreation Equipment Company. And I'm gonna explain a little bit of what kind of workouts you could do here, or routines, and share things like that. But at the same time, I want to speak the good and the bad, and the things that we can ask to improve parks like this. So we had the basics, a dip bar, you know, do dips. One of my favorite thing is a push-up bar. This is why they have a high bar and a low bar. The lower bar is always harder, you know what I mean? But you always could start off, you know, 5 push-ups. You know, same again, go 5. Stuffs like that. And then we have this same the vertical climb ladder. You could climb up, climb over, go back, be creative, climb over, do a push-up, climb over back, do another push-up, or you could do a squat. Then we have this right here. This is real good. They don't have it at every park, and I always believe that if you have this at this park, you should have it at every other park that who creates these equipments. And it's a hyperextension bench, and it's really to do lower back, because when you do fitness, most times you do push-ups, dips, push-ups, squats, pull-ups, but you never really work out your lower back. And this is a very good equipment to work on it. Depends on if you have lower back problems, and it could help you, but it depends on you. So they have a lot of these at commercial gyms, but you know, you just cross over and you're gonna feel a lot of the tension right here. You're gonna make it real strong. Or you can keep your hands out, or you can have a weight, but you don't need all that. This is the park body weight workout. So you could do some sit-ups right here, another monkey bar, which I showed before. You could do a lot of routines. You could do pair workouts, you know, like a pull-up, knee raise, pull-up, knee raise, pull-up, knee raise. There's so much you could do and improve. Then we have this. It's a rope climb. I guess they expect us to climb up there and put a rope, and you could do a rope climb movement. But there's other athletes, calisthenic athletes, that use this. It's so elite, where they're so strong and powerful with their upper body, and they can climb all the way up without using legs, and do a pull-up on the top or a muscle up. Another step up movement, another balance beam. We got another dip bar station. I've shown in other videos. You could do dip bar, you could do push-ups off of it, you could do L-sits. So you could just be real creative. And then they have this. I never really see it too much at other parks. It's a straight leg stretch. I don't really use it for stretch, but they have something like this, and you pull up, get your stretch in before and after a workout. But something like this, what I would always do is I would do squat jumps. You know what I'm saying? I would do something more creative. You know, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, explode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump back down, do a push-up. Just be so creative with these equipments. And this park right here on Paradise, we have 12 stations. You could do 12 different workouts, but it's up to you. You can compromise. You don't have to use everything that you want to. But if you're a beginner, you always want to start off with minimum reps. Let your body get comfortable with these kind of equipment. So yeah, that's what I got today. in Las Vegas. This is considered the east of Las Vegas, at Paradise Park. Coming live to you from LV Bar Stars. Josh.